create a unique half updo using a sturdy hairpin. Start by gathering the top section of your hair. Holding this section securely, wrap the hair downwards around your thumb, creating a little bob. Then wrap the hair up and around the whole section that you are holding. You can either twist or keep this section flat. When you get to the end, carefully hold what you have created and release your thumb. With a sturdy hairpin, use the legs of the pin to catch the ends of the wrap. Then gently push the pin horizontally through all the wrapped layers, catching some of your scalp hair as well. Keeping your fingers as a guide to ensure the pin gets inserted through all the layers correctly. Change up your half updo and try this wrapped knot method.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.